We are at North Wynkoop. It's a 14-acre project on the north end of the RiNo neighborhood. Kevin McClintock with the Westfield company, partner.
Jonathan Alpert with the Westfield company, one of the partners.
The initial phase was obviously the Mission Ballroom. We've got a 90,000 foot office retail building that's opening as well. Heinz is about to break ground on a 12-story, 400-unit apartment project that'll have about 15,000 feet of ground floor retail, restaurants and bars, and things and complementary uses that'll work with an entertainment neighbor. The balance of the site is 7 acres and can hold about 800,000 to 1 million square feet of office, some residential, and quite a bit of retail.
The location's amazing. We've got great access from I-70, 38th and Blake Light Rail. Brighton Boulevard is an amazing thoroughfare. We have wonderful access and a music venue to anchor that. We'll drive all kinds of unique visitors to the site on a daily basis.
The 4 words I'd use to describe this property are energy. Having a music venue as your anchor brings incredible energy, different acts every night, over 100 shows a year.
Community, integrating the anchor of the project, which is the Mission Ballroom, and bringing everybody together around music, which is something that we all do as humans, and we all celebrate that.
Collaboration would probably be the third. Getting a mix of uses on 14 acres, finding a way for them to work together and enjoy each other's pluses and minuses that go along with each use, and find a way to collaboratively work together. Activation. The ability to close private streets and activate it with a different variety of uses is going to bring a dynamic to this project that doesn't exist in Denver today.
To date, the biggest success is getting a state-of-the-art music venue open. I mean, we did it on time, we did it on budget, which is hard these days.
The ability to create from ground up the mix of uses where we can work with the neighborhood, their needs, work with our investors and their needs to meet their goals. That's really what summarizes Westfield, and we're able to do that with every piece of this project. The unexpected is how fast this neighborhood has really grown this direction towards I-70. We were surprised. We bought the property in May of 14, and without an idea of doing a project like this at the time, knew it was ripe for redevelopment, didn't know when it would happen, and I think the timing that growth has happened, especially at this end of the RiNo neighborhood, has really surprised us.
We knew that we were a bookend for the community and for the edge of RiNo, right? The north side that hadn't seen really any redevelopment. So I think we understood that we played an important part creating synergy with National Western and making sure that we were bringing uses that hadn't been yet seen within the neighborhood, which is what ultimately drove an opportunity to bring a large-scale music venue to the project.